First say your full name, Gracie Ann Jansen.
Gracie Ann Jansen, stop.
Okay. And say, look at me, look at the camera. Say, I'm going to teach you how to make bread today.
I'm going to teach you how to make bread today.
Look at me. Say, first, you'll need a bowl this large.
First, you need a bowl this large.
Okay. And then need to heat 2 cups of water.
Then you need to heat 2 cups of water
To about 111
to about 111
degrees Fahrenheit. And say you'll also need to wash your hands very well.
And you also need to wash your hands very well.
Alright, say you will also need salt.
You also need salt.
You will also need, say, yeast.
You also need yeast.
Active dry yeast.
Active dry yeast.
Okay, you can show them this. Show them that. Say this is what it looks like in the jar.
This is what it looks like in the jar.
Or stores.
Stores
Have little packs like this. Now pick those up and show me. Bless you. Bless you. You're going to wash your hands before. Don't sneeze into anything like that. Okay? Hold that up and say this is the active dry yeast.
This is the active dry yeast.
You see. Say now I'm going to go wash my hands before I do anything.
I'm going to go wash my hands before I do anything.
And so I'll be right back.
So I'll be right back.
And say this is part 1.
This is part 1.
And today is Sunday,
Today is Sunday,
October 21st,
October 21st,
2012.